In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your display resolution on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Windows icon down in your system taskbar, and you want to search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, select display. And then scrolling down underneath scale and layout versus displayed resolution, adjust the resolution to fit your connected display. Click the drop down, select your preferred resolution settings here, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.